Hello, today we're going to talk about Scotties 2-ply facial tissues. So this is 160 sheets per box, as you can see here. Tissues are essential for blowing your nose during the cold season. I honestly right now am recovering from a cold myself. I don't know if you can hear it. And I have been using these tissues to blow my nose, so it's good to have on hand when you're crying, like I do during sad movies or emotional movies or way too happy movies. I'm always crying during movies. So it's nice to have tissues on hand to dry your tears or to blow your nose or whatever happens when you cry. It's also nice to have for guests, like say something sad is happening. I hope nothing sad is happening, but if there is, it's nice to be able to offer tissues. So that's another way you can use tissues. I bought these about 2 days ago when I got my first symptoms, and I started to get a runny nose during the cold weather, and that happens quite often even if I'm not like having a cold. Also, these tissues are a lot softer than a lot of other tissues that I've tried in the past. And they're also a lot softer than paper towels or toilet paper, which kind of are rough and they are more difficult on your skin, and they often irritate my skin or make my skin really red. So I have very sensitive, pale skin, very fair skin. And if I use these rough paper towels long enough, then I start to get crusty and things like that. So Scotties is a really good brand, and I find that these in particular are really great. They're just very, very soft, and they're actually quite strong. They can handle a lot. And they're great for allergies. I am allergic to like everything, and they are hypoallergenic. And when you're allergic to things, a lot of the time you get really runny noses. So these are just really, really helpful for that circumstance. It was my first time buying this specific product, but I have tried like Scotties products before. It comes in this cardboard box. It's rectangular. You know, they make all different types of packaging. There are 2 kittens on the bottom here that are quite cute, I guess to kind of promote the feel of softness, you know. And they're right above the logo here, and around is like a gradient of green and blue. And then it looks kind of like raindrops, if you ask me. I think that's what they were going for. It's a very lightweight box. Each sheet, and you just pull it up through here, is about 8.2 inches by 8.4 inches in size. They're hypoallergenic, and I always get these allergies, so that is really important, especially having no scents or fragrance. That's also very important. So a lot of you may not know this, but when you have fragrance in products, sometimes they can be very irritating to your skin. And so having scent-free products is really essential for me a lot of the time. And packaging may vary. It's great for families. They're white tissues, not travel size. They're too bulky to fit in my purse, and they make travel size tissues as well. So check those out if you're going on a trip. Scotties was created in 1955, and they're known for their softness. And they're just really easy to use. They're disposable. You can recycle them, like you can recycle the box when it's empty. So definitely check this out if it's, you know, cold season or you just need some new tissues. These are some great tissues to have. Thanks so much for watching this video.